get here at the cabin. It's probably dark, so if you have a flashlight, you're better off. Lockbox. If I give you the code, you can get in. I'm not going to give the whole world the code, so unlock the front door. You come in, turn some lights on so you can see what's going on.
Where's the kitchen light?
Yeah, the kitchen light's behind here, so turn the water on. You can hear it come on. You hear water coming through the faucet. Okay, close the drain. Clockwise to close the drain. You can hear the water pressure come on good now. The shower's probably on. Toilet fills up on its own. Kitchen sink still running. Water's on. Come out here to the breaker panel. Sometimes you have to dig it out in the winter. The hot water heater's out down there on the right. It says water heater. Turn the breaker on. Water system's on. The next thing you have to do is get some firewood, some paper here. Make you a fire. The firewood's in the back porch. Some kindling. If you want to cheat a little, you use this blower. And that gets the fire going quick. Gotta turn the water off. Okay, and what was that? Oh, I got this heater. Oh. Right here. Plug this thing in. Got a nice 220 heater that helps heat it up in the winter. It's freezing in here. Run that for about an hour till the wood stove catches up. Stay warm. Be happy.